Why is Broad a respectful name? It's because we preserve life. To preserve the lives of people, we have invented technology that can completely eradicate indoor air pollution. We use electrostatic cleaner to filter out pollutants in the air tinier than human cells. We use active carbon to trap toxic gases in the air. We use the carbon dioxide sensor to monitor indoor oxygen level 24/7. We have integrated all these cutting-edge technologies into our air purifiers, indoor units, and heat recovery fresh air units. Our objective is to improve air quality 20 times better. 20 times doesn't seem like a big deal, yet it essentially improves human health greatly. According to the investigation of the WHO, 68% of human diseases is related with indoor air pollution. We do not only value air purification, but also have developed micro-miniaturized air quality detection equipment inserted into it, the small cell phone, and it allows common people to detect dust, formaldehyde, and electromagnetic radiation in the air anytime and anywhere. This new technology may appear to be no more than a new function on a cell phone, but in reality, it represents a new era where environmental quality information is accessible to anyone, anywhere. On May 12, 2008, a devastating earthquake took away tens of thousands of lives in a terrible instant. Since then, we have been actively and continuously researching the technology of building aseismicity. We invented a diagonal bracing structure that can resist the horizontal thrust associated with earthquakes, allowing us to construct buildings that can withstand 9-magnitude earthquake. This seemingly simple invention has changed the reality of the earthquakes from unpredictable to defensible. We not only preserve the life of our present generation, but also try our utmost to cut the emissions of greenhouse gas, protect the climate, and preserve the lives of future generations. We have developed the non-electric air conditioning, using fuels to provide cooling and heating instead of electric chillers that lose efficiency after 5 energy conversions. 200% more efficient energy use. We recycle waste heat from power generation for cooling and heating, almost reaching 0 CO2 emissions. Every Broad non-electric air conditioning reduces equivalent amount of CO2 to planting 100,000 trees. We have exported our non-electric air conditioning to more than 70 countries. Unknowingly, Broad employees have covered 4% of the landmass of those countries with forest. Not only do we value the energy efficiency of our air conditioning, but also we emphasize the importance of energy conservation of the building itself. For all buildings at Broad Town, we added thermal wall insulation, triple pane windows, external solar shading, and heat recovery fresh air units, reducing energy consumption by 5 times. We are spreading these simple yet effective energy-saving methods, hoping that other people will follow us in their energy-efficient renovations. However, we are distressed to see, still, that the importance of renovating older buildings has not gained enough attention, and that newer buildings are being constructed with even higher energy consumption. Because of this situation, we are determined to increase energy conservation of buildings by promoting our energy-efficient industrial machinery. Now, we created an even bigger miracle. We invented the factory-made building, which we call sustainable building. The development turns buildings into a standard industrial product. Our sustainable buildings are 5 times more energy efficient and also save 6 times the construction materials. The whole world was shocked when this miracle was shown at Expo 2010 in Shanghai. Today, the building construction and usage consume half of the energy on this planet. We boldly dream that one day the whole world would use broad sustainable building technology and cut CO2 emissions by 40%. If this dream were to come true, the Earth would be safe and our future generations would be able to sustain themselves on this beautiful planet.